The importance of water in human life. Once upon a time in Raindrop Valley, there lived a little water droplet named Drippy. Drippy loved to travel all over the world, riding on clouds and splashing into rivers. One day, Drippy and his friends gathered at the Great Ocean Festival, where all the water droplets from every corner of the earth came together. At the festival, the Sun King called for silence and said, "Drippy and friends, you are the most important heroes of the world. Without you, plants couldn't grow, animals wouldn't drink, and people would feel oh so thirsty." Drippy beamed with pride. "Really? But we're just tiny water drops." The Sun King chuckled. "Ah, but you are magical. When you fall from the sky, you feed the trees that make air for people to breathe. You help flowers bloom and fill lakes where fish swim and play. Without you, the world would be dry and lonely." Drippy felt super important and excited. "I promise to keep making sure everyone stays healthy and happy," he said with a big splash. From that day on, Drippy and his friends kept traveling, ensuring every tree, animal, and person always had the needed water. So remember, next time you drink a glass of water or see rain falling, Drippy and his friends are hard at work, making the world a happier and healthier place.